Alright, here's the pivoting centerboard on Alcort Catfish SMEDLEY. Working on the port side. Got the little bearing in. And that bearing, it's just a little rounded off dowel that fits down in the bottom there. So the board rides down there on that bearing. Pivots on that. Slides up and down like that. Control line is on the top here. It runs to the top of the board. Down through a fair lead. And down to the centerboard itself. So we just pull that, which controls this. When you the board up, you just cleat it off. We tied a little stop knot there so the board won't go down past vertical and crack into the forward part of the centerboard trunk. So that's what the little stop knot's for. We'll get to work on the other side on the Alcort Catfish SMEDLEY.